Hey friends, today we're going to be drawing an iPhone.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. You need something to draw with or a marker.
Some paper, and something to color with.
Yeah, let's get started.
Yes.
We're first going to draw a line for the top of our iPhone. We're going to draw a line about that wide towards the top so that we have room for the whole thing. Then, now the corners are rounded, so we want to make sure that we draw a rounded corner and then straight down. I love how wide your iPhone is going to be.
It's going to look like an iPad.
Yeah, you could draw it a little longer. That way.
So it evens out kind of.
Yeah, maybe I'll even do that too. All right, now we're going to draw the other side. We're going to curve and then come straight down. Mine's a little off to the side, but that's okay. Then we're going to draw the bottom, and we want to make sure that we draw curves for the corners also down here. Well, and that's a small corner. Yeah. That's all right. We're practicing, right?
Yes.
Doesn't have to be perfect. Now let's draw the screen on the inside of the general shape of our phone. So we're going to start here, and we're going to draw a line that matches the outside, and we're going to curve also around, go across the bottom, around and up on the other side. Good. Oh, that's all right. Keep going.
There.
Yeah, we did it. Okay, now we're going to draw a curve that comes around the top like this, but then we're going to stop. We're not going to go all the way across. We got to draw that little notch up at the top. So we're going to do the same thing on the right side. Okay, now let's draw that notch. We're going to draw a line that comes down, curve across, and then back up. Then let's draw the camera and also the speaker up here. So we're first going to draw a little shape like that. And then we also got the FaceTime camera. Now we could also draw the apps down here on the bottom. So let's draw a rectangle, curved rectangle shape across the bottom. So I'm just going to go across like this. It's curved in the corners. Yeah, now we can add the little icons on the inside of this. So first, I'm just going to draw two lines right next to each other, like that. Then I'm going to draw a line all the way over here that's the same. So this is so that we can get even spacing with our icons, our apps. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Now let's draw two lines to split each side. So I'm going to draw them right in the middle, like that. And then also over here. Now we have evenly spaced icons for our apps. So now we can draw the top. So we're going to connect two lines, and we'll connect the two lines down here. And we'll just go across and do the same thing for each app. All right, Jack, we did it. Now we could leave it like this, or we could add more apps. I'm going to also add a funny face. I'm going to draw a circle over here and a circle over here. Kind of looks like the eyes, and then we have teeth.
Oh yeah.
Down here at the bottom.
It does.
Now we could draw a smaller circle on the top right, and then color in the big circle, but leave the little one white. And when we fast forward the video, you guys at home can always pause it to take time to finish the step. Now let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a little smile in between. You can even draw cheeks, and then I'm going to draw a tongue sticking out. Now you guys at home could draw any mouth you want. All right, Jack, we did it. We finished drawing our iPhone, and we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Color it, yeah. Now this part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it one more time to match the same coloring. Jack, good job, man. You did awesome on coloring your iPhone. I especially love all of your favorite apps that you added to the bottom.
Yeah.
What are they?
Spotify, Geometry Dash, Brawl Stars.
Brawl Stars.
And Messages.
Messages, yeah. I have Brawl Stars also.
Yeah.
We like playing that together.
Yes, we do.
I also have Instagram, Netflix, and of course, YouTube. Yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your iPhone.
Yeah, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And what could our friends do to their iPhone?
Add their own favorite apps.
Yeah, that would be a cool way to use your own creativity. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.